carbon seems to absorb the epoxy much more readily than e-glass, regular fiberglass. But I often think that it's adhered and it forms to the surface well, but I found that that's not always the case when I cut open things that I wanted to redo. Look at that. So I make it a habit of going back, even after I do this, pushing on it and making sure that it's in the cracks. It hasn't formed gaps, which it will do, and you won't be able to tell it with regular glass. You can see a bubble form. With this, you can't see the bubbles underneath, and it does have bubbles. It does trap air underneath, just because it looks like it's wetting out nicely. It leads one to believe that that's not the case, that it will trap air and you will get bubbles under there. So I go back enough times to satisfy myself that in fact it has completely stuck into the corners.